Hello everyone, welcome to our educational channel Science Shaga by Shagun. So in today's video we are going to discuss about diversity in the living world. So let's begin. Biodiversity. So what is biodiversity? Bio means living organisms and diversity means many varieties. So today we are going to discuss about biodiversity, which includes plants, insects, birds, animals and many such weather conditions. Observation of plants. Now we have to enhance the observation skills. So common grass. We will discuss about the common grass. How its texture, stem, soft and thin. As we can see in the picture given, its stem is soft as well as thin, a gentle stem. Leaves grows alternatively from different points on the stem. As you can see, the leaves is growing alternatively, one and then above another. Now, an observation of holy basil, the tulsi, the medicinal plant. Stem. The type of stem is hard and thin. As you can see in the given picture, it's a woody stem, hence it is hard. Leaves arrangement. What is a leaf arrangement? Of a pair of leaves in the opposite directions. As we saw in the previous slide that it's a alternatively direction, but in this tulsi we have opposite directions together. Flowers, the color of it pinkish and purple color. Hibiscus. Now we are going to discuss about the hibiscus plant. Stem type is hard and thick. As we can see, it's a woody texture, and leaves alternative patterns as we can see in the diagram. Flowers. The flower's color could be red, orange, yellow and etc. Neem. One more medicinal plant. Stem hard and thick. Its stem is hard and thick. The arrangement of the leaves. Arrangement of a pair of leaves in opposite direction, like tulsi, with smooth surface. It has a smooth surface. Flowers white and yellowish color as we can see in the picture given. Observation of a plant. Now we have done all the flowers. Let's take a recap. How the texture, tall and short, hard, soft, the stem. Different arrangement on the stem or branches. Flowers vary in color, shape and scent. I hope you like my today's video. In the next upcoming video, we are going to discuss about types of plants. Thank you.